Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple movement routine that you can do to invigorate yourself. And like if you could just take a shot of movement vitality. This is a small routine that you can do to just pick you up, give you a little bit of energy, and make you just feel good because, you know, it feels good to feel good. All right, so all we do, we're gonna start out where we're gonna breathe, but we're gonna breathe kind of fast on the inhale. So I don't know if you can hear this in the microphone, but it's gonna be like, so we're gonna like sniff in deep into our belly, exhale, and you can do that 4 or 5 times, and you're just gonna kind of just a quick inhale deep into your belly though, and that's important, keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And then what we're gonna do is stretch our arms really wide, and we're gonna do exaggerated, really big cross crawls. And we're gonna really keep those arms open wide as we do the cross crawls. So they're gonna swing back behind us. And just this right here alone, it just feels good. Like you're gonna feel all through here, all through your torso, your obliques, you stretching them out. You'll feel the connection between your shoulders and your hips. So really big cross crawls here. And you can do about 10 to 20 of these, whatever feels good. And then we're gonna lie down on the floor. And this one, well, you're welcome. This one, so we're wide again, but now we're gonna take and do a really big exaggerated reach with our leg, and we're gonna point with our toes. Really reach, and be patient and let it pull us over. And then we're gonna do a huge reach back with our elbow and come back. So other leg, really big, wide reach, way away from our body. Be patient, let it pull you over because it feels amazing. And then you're gonna take your elbow, reach really wide, and come back. And you can do this, 5 to 10 times, depending on how you count. And then we're gonna do some adductor rocking. Really wake up the inside of our legs here. Feels good. All we're doing is we're just invigorating our body. Because it does feel good to feel good, and sometimes, well, you just need to do stuff to take care of yourself. Pick yourself up, long day at work, rough night sleeping. You should be sleeping when you're sleeping, but sometimes you don't sleep when you sleep. So adductor rocking a few times on each side. And if you want to really lubricate your joints, feel kind of good, we can do the Hindu rocking push-up. So you just rock back, dive down to the floor, come back, dive down to the floor, come back. Do this 5 to 10 times. 10's good, I like 10. And then after you do that, one thing I love, and just this on its own by itself, just like that standing cross crawl, the exaggerated cross crawl, a really smooth, fast leopard crawl. So this, about 20 steps of that, man, it'll pick your body up, it'll make you alert, you'll just feel good. All right, so that's our simple tip this week, a movement elixir. It's a shot of feel good. All right, so give that a shot, string those together. Each one of those on their own, also amazing. But you can string them together too, and you have your nice little movement session in the middle of your day, afternoon, right before don't do that before you go to bed. But after you get out of bed, after you get up, make you feel right as rain. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength. We'll see you next time.